Say that again. I didn't quite hear you.
It's been, I want to say, a year or 2 years since there was a shooting that claimed the lives of 2 people on campus right outside the dining commons. Have there been last year? I thought it was right. Have there been any changes made to security, any adjustments, any improvements for campus security?
Yeah, I think every time we have an incident, whether it's a burglary, a shooting, anything like this, we always make adjustments. I mean, that's my whole career. I've been doing this for almost 40 years. You have to make adjustments. And we've made a lot of adjustments in access control, making sure that people are supposed to be there. Same for our academic buildings. We want to, but we're an open campus and we're in an urban setting, so it comes with its own challenges. But I think that's a fair question. And it is something that we will always assess to see where we can be better. All right, thank you, everybody.
Derek, if you don't mind, I'd like to follow up on your question. I'm constrained in what I can say about the facts of the case, but I can speak a little bit more freely about the bigger questions. I know Garrett Shelton, and I've known him for a long time. I've known Mark Talbot, and I've known him for a long time. These men work every day to make people safe. The people are as safe on the ODU campus as anywhere, arguably safer than in other parts of Norfolk. This is not an ODU problem. This is a national sickness. We live in a country where people care more about guns than they care about 6-year-old children. They care more about guns than they care about synagogue worshipers. And they care more about guns than they do about college students. What that means is that it does not matter how hard President Hemphill works, how hard the chiefs work. Somebody will be a victim eventually. It is a matter of time. And until there is the political will to break the spell of the cult of gun absolutism, you will see more incidents like this. So if you're looking for somebody to blame, don't look at anybody up here. Look at our lawmakers who don't have the courage to implement sensible gun control measures. Look to a Supreme Court that enables them and do something about it. So that is the lesson. Let's mourn the people who have died. Let's decry what has happened, but let's keep the focus where it belongs. It belongs on us and having to change something so that we don't have to suffer through this.
Attorney, you're known for coming to the scene of homicides. What's it like when you come to the scene of something like this on a college campus, just the age of the people involved?
My wife works on this campus. She was locked down today. I know what it feels like. But no matter whether it's on Bagnell Road at 1 o'clock in the morning or in Constant Hall, if somebody's dead, that person's somebody's baby. And that's why all of us are in law enforcement and why we do the work that we do. But we always suffer. We always suffer.
Thank you, everybody.
You just heard passionate words there from Norfolk's Commonwealth attorney, Ramin Fatehi, who says that his wife works there at ODU, speaking on the importance, in his opinion, of gun control measures. A few things that we learned in that press conference, a lot of it coming from ODU Police Chief Garrett